Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you find yourself wishing for more financial freedom, but unsure where to start? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact steps you need to take to save $20,000 without sacrificing your lifestyle. Don't miss out on what's coming at the end of this video. I promise it's worth the wait. Let's dive in. Imagine your goal. Envision what that $20,000 could mean for you. Whether it's finally taking that trip you've always dreamed of, putting a down payment on your first home, or having peace of mind knowing you have a financial safety net. Let this vision fuel your determination. Track your spending. Think of your budget as the palette for your financial masterpiece. By tracking your expenses and income, you'll gain clarity on where every dollar goes. But this isn't just about numbers. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and shaping the life you desire. Simplify your life. Embrace the thrill of living below your means. Challenge yourself to find joy in simplicity, to savor homemade meals shared with loved ones instead of pricey restaurant outings, and to seek fulfillment in experiences rather than material possessions. Save effortlessly. Transform saving into a seamless, almost magical process by setting up automatic transfers. Every time your paycheck lands in your account, a portion effortlessly glides into your savings, inching you closer to your $20,000 goal without you even lifting a finger. Earn more. Unleash your potential to earn more. Whether it's picking up extra shifts, turning a hobby into a profitable venture, or tapping into the gig economy, every additional dollar you earn is a victory in your savings crusade. Find affordable housing. Envision your ideal living space, a place that nurtures your soul without draining your wallet. By seeking out affordable housing options or exploring creative co-living arrangements, you're creating a sanctuary where your savings can thrive. Mindful spending. Picture yourself standing strong against the tide of impulse purchases, empowered by your commitment to your savings goal. With each mindful spending decision, you're investing in the life you've envisioned and inching closer to its realization. Acknowledge achievements. Along this exhilarating path, take moments to pause and revel in your progress. Whether you're hitting a savings milestone or simply staying true to your budget, each victory is a testament to your resilience and determination. So, are you ready to embark on this thrilling adventure towards saving $20,000? With your vision clear, your determination steadfast, and your heart aflame with passion, there's nothing standing in your way. Let the journey begin. Keep the momentum going. Like, subscribe, and let's continue this journey towards financial freedom together.